Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Maths Insights. In this video, I am going to discuss a particular type of numbers. In the previous video, I discussed different sets of numbers like natural numbers, whole numbers, real numbers, complex numbers and so on. But in this video, I will discuss particular type of numbers. Shall we? Here I am listed the particular numbers which are going to be discussed in this video. The first one is even numbers. If a counting number is said to be an even number, if it is exactly divisible by 2. For example, if you take 16 is exactly divisible by 2. And coming to next one, odd numbers. Any counting number is said to be odd number if it is not divisible by exactly with 2. You know, a number divides with 2 exactly when it has 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its units place. What I am going to say? See 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any number is having these digits in its units place, then that is to be said exactly divisible by 2. So if a number divides with 2 exactly, that is even number. When it is not divisible by 2, that is said to be odd numbers. See, these are counting numbers only. You should not take 1.5, 2.5 like that. Counting number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. If you observe, 1 is not divisible by 2 and also 3, 5, 7. All these are called odd numbers, and this 2, 4, 6, 8. All these are divisible by 2 and hence they are said to be even numbers. Next, coming to third one. Third one is prime numbers. It is very important type of numbers. If any number is said to be a prime number, if it is having 1 and itself as its factors, no other factor should be there for that number, then that type of number is said to be a prime number. As per the definition, I am taking the example of 5. If you take 5, this is not having any factors. Factor means the number which divides it exactly. 1 and the number itself are the only factors for this number, and there is no other factor except these two, and hence this is called a prime number. If you take examples, 7 is also a prime number, 11 is also a prime number, 13 is also a prime number. Why? Because all these are having only two factors. Those are 1 and itself. Then those numbers are called prime numbers. See, the starting prime number is 2. And also the only even prime number is 2. There is no prime number which is even except 2. And 1 is not a prime number. The numbers which are not prime numbers are called composite numbers. See, I am including here composite numbers. The set of counting numbers which are not primes are called composite numbers. The counting number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If you observe, prime number starts from 2. 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers, and these 4, 6, 8 are called composite numbers. See, this one is neither a prime number nor a composite number. It will not come into the category of either prime numbers or composite numbers. The first composite number is 4. Why? Because 4 is having 1, 2, 4 as its factors. Other than 1 and itself, it is having one more factor. That's why it is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Next is co-primes. If two numbers are said to be co-primes, if they have their common divisor as 1, that means they should not have any common divisor except 1. Then those two numbers are called co-primes. Suppose I am taking 7, 8. These are co-prime numbers. Why? Because you may call them shortly as co-primes also. If you divide or if you find the factors of both 7 and 8, for 7, 1 and 7 are the only factors, and for 8, of course, 1, 2, okay, 4 and 8. If you see, the common factors for these two number is only 1. That's why these two are said to be co-primes. And also you may take 15, 16. These two numbers are also having 1 as their common factor. There is no other factor common to them. That's why these two are called co-primes. You have to observe one point here. Co-primes may not be prime numbers. They may or may not be prime numbers. See, in this example, 8 is not a prime number, but you will say that 7 and 8 are called co-primes. Similarly, 15 and 16 are also not prime numbers, but they are said to be co-primes. So you have to keep one point in your mind that co-primes need not be prime numbers. They may or may not be prime numbers. And the number of prime numbers between 1 and 100 or 25. 25 prime numbers are there between 1 and 100. If you take between 1 and 50, there are 15 prime numbers are there. You may count, you may check them also. Next one is perfect numbers. A counting number is said to be a perfect number if the sum of its proper divisors is the number itself. For example, I am taking 6. If you see, for 6 you have the factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. See, when you including the number as its factor, the remaining these are called proper divisors or proper factors. If the sum of these proper factors, proper divisors, is the number itself. See, I am adding 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then you are getting 6, which is equals to the number. Then this type of numbers are called perfect numbers. If you take another example, I am taking 28. If you list out the all factors of 28 except 28, 1 is factor to every number, 2, 4, 7 and 14, okay, 28. Actually, if you include 28, these are not called proper divisors. So you have to exclude 28, then these are called proper divisors of 28. And on addition, see 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 14 is 28. You are getting the original number, hence 28 is called a perfect number. These are the sum of particular numbers having some particular property. I hope this video is helpful to all of you. I have made a video on the set of numbers. Different sets of numbers are there: natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. You may see that video also for better understanding of number system. If you not subscribed so far, kindly subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends who are feeling this as helpful. You will meet in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you.